How to register your new LG refrigerator. There are two easy ways to register your new LG refrigerator. You can register Wi-Fi enabled models with the LG ThinQ app on your smartphone, or register any model online at lg.com. We'll go over both. To register your refrigerator using the LG ThinQ app, your refrigerator must have the Wi-Fi feature. To verify, look for the Smart ThinQ logo on the unit. If you see the logo, then proceed. Make sure your refrigerator is plugged in and your Wi-Fi router is turned on. Please note that the 5 GHz Wi-Fi frequency band is not supported. Open the ThinQ app on your smartphone and click on the plus sign to add a new device. Tap Select Device, then Next, and select Refrigerator from the list. Select your Wi-Fi network from the list and enter the password. Then, press any button on the refrigerator panel to turn on the display. Now press the refrigerator's Wi-Fi or Connect button for 3 seconds until the LED begins to blink. You will then find the refrigerator's SSID, or network name, beginning with LG Smart on the Wi-Fi list in the ThinQ app. Tap to verify connection with the app and tap Connect. It may take a few seconds for the refrigerator to connect. Once connected to the ThinQ app, your refrigerator can be registered from the app's preference settings. To register any model of LG refrigerator online, go to lg.com/us/mylg/product-registration. There you will be able to create an account or log into your existing account. With an LG account, you can manage all your interactions with LG in one location. Maximize your product experience with helpful information and enjoy your product to the fullest. Once you've signed into your LG account, you can enter the product information to register. When you've completed the information, click Register and you're done. For further assistance, you can easily find our contact information on the lg.com website. Go to the support menu to ask us more questions.